To complete our Darken the Room challenge, you're going to need to investigate some materials and how they affect light. To do that, you're going to need a light source, probably a flashlight or some other device in your home that produces light. I know smart devices often have small flashlights built in if you don't have one laying around. You're also going to need some different materials to investigate, preferably ones that would be safe if found in a bedroom. And of course, you're going to need something to record your observations on, some sort of data table or chart like the one that we've provided digitally, or using traditional pencil and paper is going to work just fine for this investigation. To investigate how different materials affect light, you're going to have to pay attention to how your light source shines on a surface, such as a table, and how that endpoint of your light changes depending on the materials that you put between the source of light and that table. For example, if I wanted to test this wooden toy block, I'm going to put that between my source of light and the table, and I'm going to look and see what happens to that circle of light that I previously saw on the table. If you don't see any more light on the table, then that is a pretty good indication that this object is blocking all of the light. Now, other materials may not be so effective. For example, packaging tape. Right? I have here a little piece of packaging tape, and as you see, when I put that between my light source and the table, it doesn't change that point at all. Right? Now, this material is probably not going to do a good job in helping us darken the room. It is probably going to do a good job when I try to package up a box and want to make sure I don't cover up an address that I've written on it. But for this engineering challenge, it's not going to do the job. There may be other materials too that only allow some light to pass through. Now, when you take a look at what happens when I shine this light through this polyester fabric, you see that not all of the light is being blocked. If you look carefully, you'll see that some of the light still shines through. What color is that? You might want to make a close observation of how the light has changed, even if it doesn't block all of the light. We can also see up here that some of that light is shining through that material. Remember, whatever you find, make sure that you record your findings in your science notebook.